Hi everybody, it's Carolyn here with your decision making techniques, and we're talking about it because decision making can be a big time sucker in our lives, can't it? And it can also paralyze us from moving forward on all the things that we really want to do. So today's technique is about being very tactile and really living and breathing the decision before you actually say the final yes or no to it. So I like doing this in a way that brings very much that tactile feeling to it, and that's where the vision board comes into play for me. And the vision board is really in touch with my core values and what I really want to feel throughout this year and throughout my life. So if I can bring my decision making to those very tactile things and to a very visual aspect, to something I actually can see, the decisions are so much easier. It really is giving me a great compass to know when something's right and when it's not quite right. Because that's the hard decisions, isn't it? The ones that are not an easy yes or no. It's the, is it good? Well, it is to almost the point, but maybe it's not all the point. So get in touch with the people who like to live and breathe and feel something before they make a decision, and they can help you find ways to see what your outcomes are going to be before that final yes. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.